Okay, love bugs, as you guys all know, I'm a dance mom, and I think I'm currently, unfortunately, carrying the title as the latest mom on the team. So let's go ahead and get to it. Today I've teamed up with ISEE Hair, and they sent me over this beautiful lace wig. She's this beautiful 26 inches in length, nice and gorgeous texture. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. She's a wear and go pre-everything, so that means pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. I went ahead and did a beautiful, simple, easy install. They did provide us with this wig tape here, and you'll see how to do the really simple and easy peel and stick method. This one also comes with a drawstring, so you're literally able to lift the wig, access your drawstring, this beautiful girl here, and pull and adjust your wig no matter where you are to make sure you are nice and snatched. Because this one is such an easy install and it's glueless, we got this one done in about 10 minutes or less. We didn't even really have to soak the ends out. It literally was like a minimal work needed type of situation. This one also includes a melt fit scalp, which is just an additional layer underneath the lace. It makes it so you do not have to wear a wig cap at all. It's nice and camouflage, and it just makes this one even more amazing. I'm gonna stop rambling because again, I'm the late mom and I'm already about 45 minutes late on the schedule. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out. I'll have all the details and a direct link to this gorgeous girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, as you guys know, I'm a dance mom. We are headed to the studio. Thought we weren't gonna have anything special going on, so regular day, but apparently according to this morning's emails, we have performance rehearsal. They're going to be performing at the halftime show for Sparks, so they recommended a few more practices just to make sure that they are flawless, which means we got to get going out there, and we don't live close, so my filming time is cut short a little bit, or really a lot. It's a beautiful package. I'll show you guys that in a moment, but for now, this is the bag the wig came in. Let's just know this is a 26-inch straight lace wig, so we are going with some inches today. So when you take all the dressing on the hair off, this is the hair. It's nice and full and silky. This is a bust down middle part, so we're going to keep it true to that. Pre-everything cap construction with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. We have that fake scalp inside. This is going to make for a natural texture. I feel like it's nice and warm brown like me, so it's going to blend beautifully. No lace, no case, and a lace does have that nice scallop cut. And if I didn't mention pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, I feel like I just said that, but if I didn't, here you go. This here is the tag. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. They're very much like luxury hair, luxury quality. When you receive this package, I mean, even just the simple fact that it comes with its own like shopping bag, which I have mine undone a little bit, but even just that little point makes it such a good luxury quality. This is adjustable and removable. Also, they do provide you with the additional black. So this one here has the wear and go, which I believe is their like thing, or they created the wear and go wig. So they have a black one. Just want something a little bit more discreet. I'm gonna keep what they provided beneath the lace, and the lace is free part, which means you can move your part over wherever you want. You don't have to keep the bust down middle. They do have a larger comb at the nape, and then they also do have the drawstring, so you literally have everything you need. We're gonna adjust the strap, throw her on, and we'll adjust the drawstring together. Okay, love bugs, this is what she looks like on. Get a load of that beautiful, nice, silky texture. There's enough dimension and like layer in it that it's not just like thick and long. I hate when hair is just like thick and blunt all the way to the end and it's super full, but it also is full. So it's like giving like that natural, like beautiful, healthy hair. It's also giving like that sheer vibe. Look at how beautiful that is already off the bat. So this is what the hairline looks like. We do have ear tabs, but the hairline does kind of cover my ear a little bit. So let me cut off this little ear tab.
Number one got it. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my mind, sorry. Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way.
Okay, love bugs. So we went ahead and cleaned up the hairline, or at least my sideburns. Now the next thing we're gonna do is put on the tape. You guys know I'm not a tape girl, but today we're gonna just give it a try. It's nice and hot in LA, but the summertime. So they do provide this wig tape, and it's a thick, beautiful, like luxury jelly material. I've never seen anything like it, and it's more shaped like a V. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, so let's go ahead and install or apply the wig tape.
Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Oh wait. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, won't you calm down? Wanna know how you feel about you and me? Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all. Oh, she my baby doll. Oh, body they hot. Oh, leading out follow. Me que la teña poco le yo. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la teña poco le yo. Yo nu de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know, baby girl. And I did run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Oh, 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 oh. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go.
Okay, so we have the hair installed and styled exactly how we like it in the front. Now we need to install it in the back. So I'm just going to lift the wig up in the back, pull and tug. There's a nice, beautiful stopper here. We're gonna just guide that up and get it as tight and snatched as we can. Now it's nice and installed in the back, super tight. Same thing in the back. You can grab onto it, pull it tight like that, lift and tuck, pull the wig down, and you are completely installed. Now the hair on this one is so lightweight and fluffy. You can definitely add a little bit of serum. I want to keep it fluffy. I don't want to tame it or curl it. I want it to be exactly what it is. But to just have it a little bit more sleek up top, we're going to do the dynamic duo really quickly. And then we're going to tint the lace and get our butts on the road and get to a dance.
Only #1 got it. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah, searching away. Yeah, running around every town trying to find you. Yeah, all I ever want was for you to say I do. Me que la teña poco le quiero. Yo no de pe matento un tío. I wanna be where
I'm going to use this from Maybelline Fit Me. It's a powder. I believe this is 375. Let's just see what it looks like. I think we like that color, so let's pack it in for the parting space.
say I do. Me que la teña poco le quiero.
Now you could go in and soak the ends out. It genuinely does not need to be pressed, but just for the plot.
Yo no de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go. Oh yeah. Me que la teña poco le quiero. Yo no de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know.
And just like that, we are good to go. Let me put you guys around this pink so you can get a feel for this texture. I'm going to stand up and give you a little wrap around, but before we do, this is the packaging from ISEE Hair. Where did the bag go? This is the packaging from ISEE Hair. They did give me the little shopping bag, which I showed you just a minute ago. This is the box. Nice, thick, sturdy bag. Love that pink and gold detail. When you open it up, there's a nice tissue paper or like wrapping with their logo and the sticker. The seal. You guys see me use this in the video, but this is just literally an additional elastic band. It's adjustable and removable. I used it to kind of like help melt down my lace because I didn't want to put a melt belt from another brand in here. This is the tape that we use, and you guys see they gave us a hefty amount. And then they also gave us a pack of wig caps. Always good to have some. And then just some language here. You can follow them on all of their socials. You'll see them all over because so many people love this company. This one was super easy to install. Absolutely flawless. The HD lace is definitely HD and it's just giving such a good payoff in person and on camera. I did add the baby hair. That's obviously optional. I love the fact that this is a frontal and it lays so flat. dry and thin and melted. It's HD lace, and it definitely is an easy wear. You guys know me, I do cut off my ear tabs. That's definitely an option that you can go with or skip. This just helps me to keep my wig on throughout the summer, day to day, without having to do the most. I love how feathery and smooth the hair is. It's like wispy baby hair, and we didn't even try. The hair is super silky. I don't even know if you guys could notice the difference between when I pressed it out and before. You didn't need to press it out, and there's so much thickness, fullness, and weight in the hair. This isn't the one that you're gonna purchase and it looks good for a few days and then it goes and, you know, thins out super quick. This is gonna last you so many years. And look, they put some beautiful layers in there to complement the wig, so it's just not one big choppy mess. I absolutely love her. Of course, you can do my traditional sassy little updo with her, and she looks so good. It looks like I'm ready to throw on some flip-flops and a little tube top dress and head to the beach with some large shades. And she gives very just clean, classy luxury. There's sometimes whenever, as someone who wears wigs on a daily basis, I can go days and weeks without getting any compliments. And then there's that one day when I put on that one special wig and people are asking me like, where did you get that wig from? What type of hair is that? And that is how I feel about this wig. It's such a good, soft, luxury silk quality that I know for sure the girls are going to be asking, what hair company is that? Because the hair just speaks for itself. I have to get to dance because I'm a dance mom who's always late, and I'm trying not to carry that title by myself as being the late mom. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.